General Machines Factory Scan. For engine, generator, water pump. MLBE General Machines Production Base Quick Scan. Semi-finished product and spare parts storage area. Professional production lines for generators, engines and water pumps. Engine components assembly and installations. Engine side cover oil seal and bearing installation. Engine series numbers carving. Engine case head cover installation. Engine flywheel and recoil starter installation. Air filter and muffler installation. 100% running performance test and power test. Engine rotational speed detection and noise test. Engine fuel tank air tightness test. Engine fuel tank installation. Water pump body air tightness test. Generator components installation. Generator control panel installation. Generator 100% intensification test. 100% above 3 hours intensification test for power stability. Product surface and spare parts inspection and packing department. Spare parts warehouse quick scan. Semi-finished and finished product storage area. MLBE warehouse area quick scan. Agricultural machines factory scan. For tiller, 4-wheel driven mini tractor. MLBE professional tiller production line overview. Engine and gearbox side cover bonding. Mechanical superglue for great bonding and air tightness. Gearbox accessories and screws installation. Gearbox clutch chassis installation and commissioning. Gearbox chassis accessories commissioning. Gearbox oil dipstick inspection and installation. Gearbox chassis installation finalization. Tiller control cables installation. Clutch, reverse cables installation. Tiller fuel and oil filling and working testing. Engine 1 pull start function testing. Walk forward and reverse and gear shift function testing. Tiller final inspection, installation and debugging. Anti-rust process before packing. Tiller packaging process. packaging and sealing before delivery.